Globe, today we have brought you a new informative video. In this video we will tell you a lot of information, so stay tuned with us. Loudspeaker, you should watch this video till the end, and don't skip it. If you like our style, hard work and information, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Folded hands clapperboard. Let's move on to our video today. The Audi A6 is one of those cars that doesn't just move on the road, it makes a statement. It's a symbol of luxury, engineering excellence, and modern technology. Today we're going to dive deep into everything that makes the Audi A6 such a remarkable car. From exterior beauty to interior craftsmanship, from engine performance to cutting-edge safety systems, and from comfort to cost-effectiveness, this video will give you an extremely detailed review. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the complete breakdown of the Audi A6. Let's begin with the first thing that catches your eye, the exterior. The Audi A6 has always been known for its elegant design, but this latest version takes things to a whole new level. The body is sculpted with sharp lines, smooth curves, and a very well-defined aerodynamic profile. The wide single-frame grille at the front gives the car an authoritative presence, almost like it's announcing itself even before you notice it. The LED headlights have Audi's signature daytime running lights, which look extremely modern and aggressive. These lights don't just illuminate the road, they also give a premium identity to the car. Moving along the sides, you see a perfect balance of sportiness and sophistication. The long wheelbase, stylish alloy wheels, and flush door design create a clean, seamless look. The side mirrors are aerodynamically optimized and integrated with LED indicators, all adding to the car's upscale feel. At the rear, the Audi A6 maintains the same impressive visual character. The taillights stretch across the width with dynamic LED animations, giving the car a futuristic appeal even when parked. The chrome touches, dual exhaust outlets, and smooth trunk line complete a design that feels both athletic and classy. The entire exterior gives you the sense that this car wasn't just built, it was crafted. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where the Audi A6 truly shines. The moment you open the door, you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a car interior. Premium leather seats, soft touch materials, high-quality stitching, and aluminum or wood trims depending on your chosen configuration. Everything feels solid, refined, and thoughtfully placed. The dashboard is clean and modern, dominated by Audi's dual-screen MMI infotainment system. The upper display handles navigation, media, and connectivity, while the lower touch panel is dedicated to climate control and comfort functions. Both displays provide haptic feedback, making you feel like you're pressing actual physical buttons rather than touching a plain screen. The driver's seat provides excellent support, perfect for both long highway drives and short city commutes. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and comes loaded with multifunction controls. Behind it sits a fully digital virtual cockpit that replaces traditional gauges with a customizable, high-resolution display. You can view navigation maps, audio details, speed information, and even advanced vehicle diagnostics right in front of your eyes. The rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, making the Audi A6 ideal for families or business travelers. The ambient interior lighting offers multiple color options, giving you the freedom to set the cabin mood exactly the way you like. Let's talk about the heart of the Audi A6, the engine. Depending on the market, this car is offered with a range of powertrains, including both petrol and diesel options. The common denominator is smoothness, efficiency, and impressive output. The turbocharged engines are responsive, delivering power exactly when you need it, without delay. Acceleration feels effortless thanks to the well-tuned transmission that shifts gears with absolute precision. Whether you're cruising on highways or overtaking on a crowded road, the Audi A6 engine ensures you feel confident and in control. The car often features a mild hybrid system that helps boost efficiency. This means better fuel consumption, smoother engine start-stop functions, and more intelligent power delivery. The Quattro all-wheel drive system, available in many trims, provides exceptional grip and stability. Whether you're driving on wet roads, rough surfaces, or sharp turns, the car maintains perfect balance. The suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, giving you a floating sensation without losing road feedback. Now, this car doesn't just perform well, it keeps you safe. Audi takes safety extremely seriously, and the A6 is packed with advanced features. You get multiple airbags, reinforced body structure, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, traction control, and advanced driver assistance systems. Features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, parking assist, rear view camera, and forward collision alerts work together to keep you protected from every angle. Some versions even offer 360-degree cameras, cross-traffic alerts, and autonomous emergency braking. The sensors and radars constantly monitor your surroundings, helping you avoid dangerous situations before they even occur. Technology is another major highlight. The Audi A6 is equipped with some of the best digital systems in the luxury sedan segment. Apart from the dual-screen infotainment and virtual cockpit, the car also supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless connectivity, high-quality sound systems, and advanced navigation with real-time traffic updates. Voice control allows you to operate the car without removing your hands from the steering wheel. You can adjust climate settings, call contacts, or navigate to a destination simply by speaking. The high-end sound system, often from Bang & Olufsen, creates an immersive music experience, turning your car into a rolling concert hall. Of course, luxury doesn't end with technology. The Audi A6 delivers supreme comfort on every journey. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering heating, cooling, and massaging functions in many variants. The climate control system keeps the cabin temperature perfect, while the air quality sensors ensure clean, fresh air is always circulating. The cabin insulation is excellent, blocking road noise and wind disturbances. Even when you accelerate hard, the engine remains refined and quiet. Whether you're the driver or a passenger, the Audi A6 provides a relaxing, peaceful environment. Let's shift our focus to driving and adventure scenes. The Audi A6 isn't limited to smooth city roads, it's a great companion for scenic drives, long road trips, and exciting adventures. Imagine driving along mountain roads. The precise steering gives you full confidence as you enter sharp turns. The Quattro system keeps the car planted, even on wet or slippery surfaces. The acceleration gives you a thrilling push when you hit the gas on open highways. The car glides smoothly over rough patches, and the suspension handles uneven terrain with ease. The panoramic sunroof, available in many versions, enhances the whole experience by giving you a broader view of the sky and surroundings. Night drives are even more magical thanks to Audi's signature LED and matrix headlights. These lights adapt automatically, adjusting brightness based on oncoming traffic. This not only increases visibility but also ensures you don't blind other drivers. During long trips, the adaptive cruise control lets the car maintain speed and safe distance on its own, reducing fatigue. If you're filming the car for a cinematic video, the Audi A6 looks absolutely stunning in motion. Its strong lines, bold stance, and sleek profile create beautiful visuals under natural light, city lights, or even nighttime shots. Finally, let's talk about price and cost effectiveness. The Audi A6 is undoubtedly a premium vehicle, and its price reflects its luxury status. Depending on the country and trim, it can range from mid-level luxury pricing to higher-end configurations. However, what truly makes the Audi A6 cost-effective is the combination of features, build quality, long-term reliability, fuel efficiency, and overall experience. It gives you advanced engineering, world-class safety, modern design, and unmatched comfort in one complete package. Maintenance costs are reasonable for a luxury brand, and Audi's service networks are generally very efficient. The car holds its resale value well, especially when maintained properly. If you consider all the elements, luxury, performance, technology, safety, comfort, and prestige, the Audi A6 delivers exceptional value. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and a statement of modern sophistication. So this was our complete in-depth review of the Audi A6. If you enjoyed the details, the information, and the effort we put into this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support motivates us to bring even more high-quality content for you. Thank you for watching till the end. We will meet you in the next video with even more exciting content. Until then, take care and drive safe.